Hello friend, join me as I try to build a fully function Proxmox lab on a budget that anyone can afford. $17 for storage with 256 GB SSD or $100 for 1 TB SSD like what I go to use. Why do you need a home lab? It's a safe space to learn and try new skills, and you can really break and fix without any pressure. I know the pain of start something new and be scared. I had it when I tried to learn English a year ago. I'm so shy and scared every time someone speaks with me, and I never give up. But I'm okay now. When I started tech 17 years ago, I did not have anyone tell me to create a home lab so I could learn in silence without bullying or bad comments about my mistakes. I will help make you learn the path easy and fast. So let's start this project. You're going to need an old computer, a flash driver, and a SSD driver. Okay, I go to use this SSD driver with 1 TB, but you can use like one with just 256 GB if you prefer. I go to use that because I have another project coming for new videos. So I need a little more storage so I can create my virtual machines with that. You can use this 256 GB for $19. And I go to use all the computer I have in my house. That will be this Dell Opsplex 390 with the CPU i3 with 4 GB memory. They have one CPU with 4 cores. So that's I go to use in this home lab. And you can use any computer I have, but the old computer I have in my house is this one. So I go to use the cheaper ones I have in here. So that's I go to use in this project. But you can use any computer you have. I did not put in my budget a flash drive because I know almost everybody have a flash drive, a power cable, and a network cable for putting this server, connect the service in the network, and a monitor. So if you need something like that, you can go to a second-hand store and buy that. So let's start to the project. Okay, first step, let's create a flash drive with Proxmox. Download Rufo. So come in here. I'm using Windows, so just click in here, save. Able to download Rufo. Okay, let's download Proxmox now. So just click in here, download, save. We go to download Proxmox. Okay, I finished to download Proxmox. Let's create a flash drive now. So select the ISO Proxmox, open. Okay, select. I have my flash drive. Select my flash drive. I have the ISO for Proxmox in here, and I will go to start create the Proxmox flash drive so you can install in the desktop computer. Okay, my Proxmox flash drive is ready to go. So I take it out from my laptop, and now I go to put in my computer. But before you install Proxmox in your computer, you need to remember you need to enable in the BIOS virtualization, and you need to use the F2 or Dell to go to the BIOS to change the for virtualization. After that, you need to reboot your computer, maybe after F11 or F12. So you can boot the computer, use the USB. So I go to do that, and I go to share the screen with you guys so you can go with me to install Proxmox. Okay, if you use the flash drive you just create and boot your computer with that, you're going to have the screen I show you right now. Don't forget to plug the network so you can have access for the network in the internet. Click install Proxmox, agree with the license. Let's use the SSD driver, have that, next. United States is okay for me. Put the password, repeat the password. Okay, I need to put in my email. email next. Let's put a domain in here, which is Promox local.io. I go to use 1.5. That's my gateway. That's my DNS server. Continue. And now you press install. They go to install Proxmox files. Okay, Proxmox install, and they go to restart the computer file. Okay, Proxmox install on a computer. So you have the IP I just give for you guys is 192.168.150 column 8886. So you need to use the browser to access it. Okay, if you put in the browser the terminal IP you have there with column port 8006, you go to access this page. That page is for Proxmox. So my user is root. Let me put in my password. Okay, let's see the resource you have for this server. You can see here the CPU. We have 4 CPU, and you can see you have 4 gigabytes for memory. And for the 1 terabyte, now we just have a 93 gigabytes, but we're going to change this in the next project. But you can see like the resource you have here. You can say is the i3, but you can see like that's work fine for now. And we need to load install so we can start create our virtual machines. Let me click in here, downloads. I have the Zorin OS in here. You can put it in here to upload the Zorin OS ISO for my Proxmox so I can create virtual machines for Zorin, Ubuntu. Almost done. Okay, closing here. You have 2 ISOs now. You back up. You have the Zorin OS and have the Ubuntu. I go to create a virtual machine now. You can see in the top here, create a VM. Let's put it in name Ubuntu. Let's use the OS Ubuntu right now. Next, we go to see the systems in here. The system graph you don't need to change. Click for add agent. You see the disk, 32 gigabytes is okay for me around. I want to use like the 4 CPU. I want to use 2 gigabytes for memory. It'll be okay. Oh, in the CPU, don't forget to change if you have a problem. Let's have the problem, and if you have the problem, go back in memory. 2 gigabytes. I go to the same network, final. Let's see if they go to create spots. So the Ubuntu machine was created here. Let's try to start. Okay, they don't work because they don't give the support for the CPU we have there. So go to the console, they don't start. So go to hardware, click in CPU, changing here for M364, okay, and start. So now they start, and let's click in console. So they'll go to start install the Ubuntu server in my Proxmox. Okay, the language I go to use is English. Okay. Continue without updates. Done. Ubuntu server. So that's going to be my network IP to access. Done. Continue. Accept this. We're going to create a boot, go to create the swap space. So click it down, container, let's put a name. So Thiago, Joseph de Santos, For the name of the machine, I'm going to put it Ubuntu. I use a bit de Santos, a password. Repeat my password. Done. Continue. Let's install the Open SSL server so we can connect with SSL in this computer. Done. Okay, the installation for Ubuntu is done. So just click here to reboot now. Okay, let's log in this computer. Put my password. IP. So the IP for this machine will be 156. Okay, let's access this machine in the terminal. So SSH 9.1.156. And let me just bring up my user here. So yes, for the password. So I access my machine. Let's update the packaging. Let's H start. Oh, we have H start. And we have H start, and you can see we have used 4 cores you have for the machine, and now we have 2 gigabytes for memory. You just use nothing, but you can see like, and this computer is running in my Promox here. I'm going to create more projects in this Promox. So next time you can put like CasuOS for us, so you can have a solution for Homelab, so you can like make some tests. So you can see you can use Promox to create virtual machines, and they don't use all the resource for the computer. So that's a safe space. So you can make some tests. You can make some tests with any problems, and start learning. And don't be scared to try new things because you have everything in here. Please subscribe my channel if you like, comment if you need any help, and share it with someone like us need a safe space and shift to learning. Thank you for watching this video, and I see you in the next one.